Dumbass flying through the. Now he's gonna hit something. And I'm getting everything on the camera. Damn! Hit him! Hit him, you stupid! God damn! Idiots!
Get ready to witness this boat's defense mechanism. For these boaters, safety chains are only a suggestion.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Goodbye, trailer.
Who knew it was possible to convert your boat into a lowrider? Based on how this video ends, this underpass probably isn't designed for a boat.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, not good, good, not good, not good, not good. I got it. I'm pushing you. Are you alright?
Hey buddy, your live well has too much water. Don't mind this guy, just his first day driving a boat. These guys almost had a close call, but thankfully the boat captain is a modern-day Sir Francis Drake. Take a look at this boat's awesome party trick. For this guy, loading docks are only a suggestion. Since when did boats become self-driving?
How the heck did this alligator just get stuck in the propeller?
Where were these guys fishing? Jurassic Park?
Yeah!
Oh, there you go, boys.
Thankfully, when he's done, he can drain the water out.
No gone wrong.
This shark makes the most of his opportunity for a free meal. This guy found a way to make jet skiing even more relaxing. Being a pirate does have its perks.